Hello everybody, my name is Brandon Ivey. I go by Bitcoin Brandon, and a few years ago I had that opportunity to get on a brand new coin that was launching backed by an exchange called Binance, and that coin was BNB. At the time it was worth 10 cents a coin, and I did not pull the trigger. 3 years later, and that coin is worth more than $300 a coin, and the founder of BNB is a billionaire, and I always regret that decision. But guess what? I now have a second chance not to make the same mistake twice. There's a new exchange that is also launched backed by a company called WCL, the IM exchange, and guess what? They have their own coin called the IMC coin. So this time around, I'm going to take full advantage of it, try getting my hands on as many coins as possible. Right now, at the time of this recording, it's about 31 cents a coin, and so I have no idea what it's going to do in the future. But I don't want to miss out when it does do something big. And based on what this project is all about and what WCL is all about, I have no doubt that this is going to be one of the best performing assets in the next couple of years. If you want to get your hands on these coins while they're still cheap, click on the link below. It's going to take you to another page that will show you what the IMC coin is all about, and another video with instructions on how to get your hands on the coin. Don't delay. Don't make the same mistake I made. Get your hands on the coin. Click below. Take care. Bye-bye.